Hi everyone. Here are the installation steps for the DualSense Adaptive Trigger application. First, you need to install the UV package manager for Python. You can easily copy from here, then go to the terminal and paste it. That's it. Everything installed. Now, you need to go releases page, download the latest version from here. I have support for Linux and Windows, but Linux is more experimental build. So click here and you can see it's downloaded. Now open folder, name DS something, I don't know, and double click, run. As you can see, download is automatic. So press enter for yes, and that's it. Now we need to start DualSense. As you can see, it's connected. Now, you can start the Forza Horizon and have fun. Here the animation menu, profiles, settings, updates. Because I update the program very quickly, automatic updates are disabled. So you can enable if you wish. But if there is a suitable version that works for you, then you can close it. Don't worry. You can manually update later. You can click here or here for latest updates. Also in settings, there is a auto reconnect button. But if you are using the Xbox version of the Forza Horizon, then you need to use DS4 or DSX. And that programs use hit hide. It hides the DualSense and makes it look like an Xbox controller. So my program can't recognize the DualSense. After first connection, you can open the DS4 and works very well. But if you start DS4 before my app, then DualSense hidden, my program can't find it. So here's a button for that. But if you are using the Steam version, you can enable this feature and you can see automatically reconnects the DualSense. There is a 3-second, but don't worry. And that's it. Here the profile section for different cars or different settings. If you like the app, you can sponsor me from the GitHub, or you can send me gift from Steam, CSGO skins and something like that. I can sell and use the money for buy game. Thank you for using my app. See you later.